Alright, here's what comes in the 10 bucket kit. We've got a 290 gallon per hour water pump. You've got a 24-hour with 15-minute increment timer. Box of the 3 nutrient pack master blend. Now it comes with a free measuring spoon, tablespoons, teaspoons, half spoon, quarter. All the fittings. We've got the grommets and all the T adapters. We have all of the PVC fittings, the 2-inch, 2 2-inch elbows, and 20 1/2-inch elbows. So all of those, the 10 insert nets, all of the tubing. We've got the 1/4-inch tubing, and we have all the 1/2-inch tubing. Everything you need right there. And last but not least, written instructions for different ways to configure it. First, of how to do the buckets themselves, and then 2 different configurations for setting up the buckets. All the instructions you need there, packing slip, done and done. At Complete Growing, we keep it simple, we keep it sustainable, we keep it affordable, and most of all, we keep it real. So join our growing community by subscribing and clicking on that notification bell, because you don't want to miss a thing.